So, first of all, understanding the problem. So, with understanding the problem, my first three questions are: what is currently happening? How does it impact the team and the organization? And what is the expected behavior and outcome? So, with the first question, with what is currently happening, I like receipts. Please give me receipts, because people will always think that some people, they'll come to me with problems. They'll be like, yeah, this is why it's not working. And then I look into the record and I'm like, no, actually, it's not a workflow that's breaking it. It's a HubSpot setting. So, like, you can't just take people what people say at face value, right? And especially because they might have emotions about the system, they're very frustrated, and they'll just jump to conclusions on like what the solution is. So I'll ask them for examples. I'll also try to ask as many people as I can about like what the actual experience is. So, what is actually happening. So when you click here, what is the behavior and stuff like that. So you just have a clear definition of what you're actually trying to solve.